Hello everyone! So happy to be here. Okay, in this week's beginning, the first episode, I have said that in order to support Mr. President Biden, I want to just tribute my science subject and my literary subject to him. So I just try my best. I want to make all the questions or all the concepts that the Mr. President Biden can understand. So that is very important. That is a very important point. So in the same time, I hope that Mr. President Biden can warn and obtain my subject video and have the memory and the good impact from my videos. Besides, I hope that the Mr. President Biden can just seek again in the subject that he has ever learned in the school. So that will be very interesting. I don't know. The age has been the 80 more. If the old man can still understand the science subject's content. That is a very interesting experiment. If it is done, that present, all people can understand this, or just the comprehension ability from Mr. President Biden is so high. So that is the content today that I want to chat for. So today will be very interesting. This day is the final day in this week, the 5th episode. I don't want to say some very boring. So absolutely, I just want to show my supporting determination to the Mr. President Joe Biden. Okay, I take it out. So many people will wonder why I say that I support Mr. President Biden, but I still post some news that prefer to the President Trump. So people all know that I like to watch the CNN channel. So every time, I don't know if they know my fan pages, but I ever wrote emails to the anchor Anderson Cooper, and I give him my fan pages website. So I don't know if they all know my fan pages. Okay, when the topics come to the Anderson Cooper, I hope everyone can understand one thing. He's just the idol. I don't have other thoughts. Crystal and I, all my life, I will be a very single person woman. I don't know what will happen in my future, but I have been 41 years old, and I have a new plan and a dream want to chase after. I want to be a scientist. That is my determination in my life. To be a scientist, that is a very huge and giant dream to me. So I don't know if I can just offer something or contribute my life to just chase after the Anderson Cooper. He's just an idol. I have sent him about 10 packages more from 2 years more before. Till now, I have sent international mail package to him for about 3 years. Here are about 10 packages or more I have sent to him. So I don't know. Every letter I just wrote my affection and my feeling that I admired him. All the content is worship. Because I feel I will be single all my life. What I lack is my marriage. So, if to split my life, I want I can find a person that I feel that is worth to offer my son asset. I choose him. So I send something to him. But I still single one. So don't just mix out my thought or my concept about us. My idea and the logical thought is very clear. I also admire the jumbos. I don't have the time and the money to send a package to him, but afterward, if I have, I will. I admire not only jumbos, but the Wolf Blizzard and the Christine and Paul. So that is very important. People have to know this. You have to understand. The CNN is the media that I love and respect, admire so much. Not Anderson Cooper, but the Kim Brown-Huber, John Voss, Wolf Blizzard, Christine and Paul, Julia Chatterley, Rosemary Church, Erin Brunner. So these anchors are my idol. I just need money and time to just tribute my willingness to him. Okay. Today, I will give you 2 questions that is very interesting. You will feel this chapter is fulfill the witty and the fun, the fun in the mathematics. Then you will discover the chapter, the quadratic function can be so many types. That is the reason why I like this chapter so much. But this is not the best. Afterward, the following days, I will just introduce more and more. You'll discover other chapters, other topics of mathematics are rather interesting than this. But this is the beginning. If you feel that is very marvelous or just fantastic, that means you are the person, you are the child that is suitable to call the prodigy of the mathematics. I like to worship you. Okay, let's come back to today's video. Okay, we will introduce this one and this one. 2 questions. Let's see. This question say that here is a quadratic function. The quadratic function is like this chart. So the f of x is equal ax squared plus bx plus c. The question wants you to judge the following items, their positive and negative. The chart's just like this. The open mouth is toward up. It's toward up, and the vertex is on the three part. The third part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you have to understand us very clearly. Okay, I don't repeat it again. Okay, so the first, the mouth is toward up. Thus, A is bigger 0. 2. The symmetrical axis is on the left of the y-axis. So that means the x equal negative b of 2a is smaller than 0. We know that a is bigger than 0. Therefore, okay, I write it down. Okay. Because the symmetrical axis is on the left of y-axis. Therefore, the s equal negative b of 2a will be smaller than 0. And because a is bigger than 0, therefore the b will be bigger than 0. Okay? And 3. The chart has some intercross point with the y-axis, just like the 0 and the C, and it is under the x-axis. So we know that the C because the chart has the intercourse with the y, and the intercross point is under the x-axis. So the 0C, the point 0C, the C will smaller than 0. So okay, 3. The chart has intercross point with y-axis 0C. And it is under x-axis. Therefore, C is smaller than 0. Here, why we say this? Can you see this? If we want to know C, the x must be 0. The x must be 0, then we know y equals C, and we can get C. So we said when the x is 0, here is the intercross point, that is 0C, and it is under the x-axis. So we know the C is smaller than 0. That is why I talk about. And the 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, because the chart has two different points with the x-axis. That means the x has two different real roots. Because the chart has 2 points that are crossed with x-axis. That means the equation has two different real roots. Therefore, the judgment formula b squared minus 4ac will be bigger than 0. Okay, here is the first question. That is very simple, and you can just know that the mouth is open toward up, so the a is bigger than 0. And then we know when x is 0, the left is c. So when the x is 0, we see the intercrossed point is under the axis. So we know the c is smaller than 0, negative. So, and the chart has 2 points that are close to the x-axis. We know that the equation has two different real roots. So the judgment formula b squared minus 4ac bigger than 0, positive. Okay, so that is this one. And another question is very similar. So it is also give you a square, y equal x squared plus bx plus c, just like the chart present. First, it wants you solve the length of the AB. B, it wants you to solve OA multiplied OB, and then if the OA equal OD, it wants you to find out the relationship among ABC. 4, to seek for the triangle MAB's coverage. Okay, that is not hard. So okay. First, we say y is equal 0. Then the ax squared plus bx plus c is equal 0. So thus, x will equal minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac root of 2a, and a is negative. Therefore, A is B squared minus 4AC to 0, and B will be so the first AB length will equal you can see this because we want to know the A and the B, and the A and the B just the two different real roots. So we can just say the A is the one root, the B is another root. So the AB is B minus A. So we just get the answer. Okay. So and the two, the OA multiply OB, that is equal plus B squared 4AC. That is equal B that will equal A. So you have to know this. OA is 0 to the A point. OB is O to the B point. So OA multiply OB is just like this term. A point multiply the B point. Okay, can you understand this? We know the B, we know the A. So okay, so because the A is on the left side, so that the A will be the negative. So that is the answer. And 3, the OA equal OD, thus the B the B this one because OA is equal OD, so the A will equal C. Therefore, B minus B squared 4AC will equal 2AC. So the B squared minus 4AC will equal B minus 2AC. Square both. Then the B squared minus 4AC will equal B squared minus 4AC ABC plus 4A squared C squared. Therefore, AC minus B plus 1 will equal 0. So this is the ABC's relationship. Okay, so four. Because the triangle's vertex is N. Is N. B to A and B squared 4AC 4A. Thus, NE length will equal 4AC minus B squared 4A. So the triangle NAB will equal 1 of 2 plus AB plus ME. So that will equal 1 of 2 multiply the AB. The AB is here. And multiply the ME. The ME is here. Therefore, it will equal B squared minus 4AC. Multiply the B squared minus 4AC of AA squared. Okay, it is really so simple and easily to understand. So you can just get it. So the AB is here. The AB is here. The AB is here. The AB is here. So the ME is here. Okay, this is today's video, the final day of this week. Do you have anything want to tell me or you want to express? The 5th episode has been finished. This week, I am so happy and I am so grateful and appreciate all the people supporting and your care and your encouragement. That is why I always continue my videos all the way. And I still want people to know that only one I support is Mr. President Biden, okay? I think he has already understand all the content. I have explained it very clearly, and after my explanation, it becomes so easy. Absolutely. Okay, I don't want to say more about this. If he still doesn't understand, I will expect myself. Oh, so sad. Sadness bursting out. I don't know if he still doesn't understand. I don't know what to talk about. Please. Okay, I think he has already understand. So that is very marvelous, spectacularly excellent. Thank you for your watching. Remember, support the President, Mr. Joe Biden. And I hope the next week we can have another week that is marvelous with the Mary. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.